Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing glowy summery makeup look without using any foundation or concealer. So if you are interested in it, then please continue watching. First I'm going to cleanse my face by using wet wipes. Cleansing will remove excess oil, sweat and dirt from our face, so make sure to prep your skin before putting makeup on. Then I will moisturize my skin by using Pond's moisturizer. First I'm going to dot this cream all over my face, then I will blend it with my fingers. Moisturizer will keep our skin hydrated and healthy, so do moisturize your face regularly. Next I will apply sunscreen. I'm using Neutrogena sunscreen here. If you have SPF in your moisturizer, then skip this step or else use sunblock separately. Sunscreen protect our skin from harsh UVA and UVB, which may cause wrinkles, fine lines and pigmentation. So to avoid all that problems, always use sunscreen. I'm not using any foundation or concealer today. I'm just setting my base by using compact powder. You can totally apply foundation, concealer or BB cream, whichever you like. Next, by using cream highlighter, I'm going to highlight my face. Here I'm using Maybelline cream highlighter. Cream highlighter stays for a longer period of time, so I'm using cream highlighter. You can totally use cream or powder highlighter, whichever you have. Highlighting highest point of my cheeks, brow bone, nose and cupid bow. And blending it with the blending brush. Next I will add hint of color to my cheeks by using Maybelline cream blush. I'm applying this with my fingers. Lastly, I will apply Wet n Wild peach lipstick to my lips. And that's it, this summer glowy makeup look is done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, keep smiling. Bye.